Man, it has been a while since I vlogged. A long while. I want to say thank you so much to everyone who commented, sent so much love in my last video. It's been, yeah, a tough few months. I'm working my way out of it, you know? But I wanted to show you what I've been doing to occupy my mind, calm myself down. I feel like these are the things that kept me sane and kept me kind of busy doing things instead of being in the fetal position crying. These are the things that kind of made me feel good and accomplished, I guess. Drop. Thank you. That's really good. Oh, that's a burp. Okay, so the first thing that I've really been doing a lot of during the last couple months has been punch needling. So I have a couple projects that I'm finishing up right now. Here is a mirror and this other piece that I did. This is punch needled. Hello. This took me a really long time because punch needling is a manual way of doing kind of like this rug art. You're just using this singular needle, and on the other side it comes out as loops. So what I did to get this look is I cut every single loop and then shaved it down by hand with scissors. So let me show you the back. I already glued the mirror on. So actually, okay, you can kind of see there's the back. So it's like punch needling, stitch, stitch, stitch. So yeah, it's a lot. And I glued the mirror on. And what I want to do is I got this particle board and I got the shape that I need. I want to cut it out and kind of figure out my mounting situation. I think I'm just going to do command strips. That seems like the easiest thing. I don't want to cut any holes in this. Here's another one that I did. This was supposed to be a seat cushion, but then I was like, this is too pretty to put a butt on. Let me show you the other side. This one, I just cut out a piece of felt, and this is the first time I used spray adhesive. It's very intense spray adhesive, I'm gonna say, but really smooth, because with hot glue, it's just lumpier. Plant zone. Watch this. What's it doing down there? All the way down there. It's like almost touching the floor. I don't know why that's the song for the plants, but apparently. I've been working on these necklaces. I've only made a couple at this point. So this is my newest venture, okay? The way that you make these is you do a knot in between each and every bead. And that's what you do when you string pearls. And then this is a sailor clasp. So you actually put it in the front. And then you can put, a little pendant or something there. I think it looks really cute. There are no tools involved. You don't need any tools to make this. Not even a little pair of pliers. You need nothing, which is really cool. But there are more specialized things that you need to buy. Like this clasp, and then there's something called a French coil. If you're interested in learning how to make these, I think that would be a fun video for me to work on, for sure. The whole reason why I stumbled across these is because I was purchasing some pearls. So I glued Swarovski crystals onto Baroque pearls, and I'm making some earrings out of them. Hi, future editing Stephanie here. I filmed finishing these earrings in this video, attaching them to the actual earring. And as I was doing it, I was like, these are sick, and they're very straightforward, pretty easy to make. And I want to just make its own video, because also I started gabbing and it took like, edited down, it was like 20 minutes. So yeah, we got some jewelry stuff coming up. So look out for that. Hi. Hello. Little bit of time has passed because I had like a therapy appointment. I had to go to the pharmacy. I wanted to show you the painting projects that I started working on, and I realized I'm like pretty talented at this. So or not talented, like skilled. I started playing D&D, Dungeons and Dragons, with Suyuno, Mia, and a few other friends. And you know, obviously with D&D you have minis, and then there's terrain that you can use for your adventures. So I ended up like, here, let me actually bring it down here. Here's some of the terrain that I painted. It's hard also on camera because I coat it all with a like satin varnish. So it does have a sheen, but it gives it longevity. So here's my little character. I did 2 of her. One in action, one just chilling. She is a half human, half elf forest ranger. We actually haven't played in a while. I'm not even sure if the campaign that we were in is going to continue, to be honest. So yeah, might just start something new. I feel like I would love to DM. I really didn't think I was going to be so into D&D. I was never a theater person or like outgoing like that, or an actor, so I was really nervous thinking like, oh, like I can't like act out my character, but I freaking got into it, okay? It's like a way to be super creative and totally think outside of the box and be like goofy or whatever, like with your friends. I'm just really lucky that Segundo, you know, he DM'd, or he's a dungeon master for our group, and he just knows everything. So I can ask him anything about D&D, and you know, he'll clarify it for me. That's like the one thing. You definitely want to try and find one person who's like already deep into it. Hello, for me and my star face patches. So cute. Yeah, this is just the state I'm in right now. I was gonna try and get ready, but you know, everything just takes me so long these days. Even trying to get back into filming, I feel like this is gonna be all over the place, but hopefully not. Yesterday, I used my jigsaw to cut out this backing. This is just the biggest piece I've ever made. Like, period. So the initial glue I used to glue on like the smaller pieces was just hot glue, because obviously those were smaller pieces and I could work really fast with that. But I was concerned with the hot glue not being able to align it or anything, you know, properly, or do it in time for the larger piece. For the larger piece, I went with E6000. I don't know if, I mean, it was pretty much gluing the boards to each other. Let it dry overnight, and we got this. Oh, and here's the other one that I put a backing on. By the way, this was supposed to go, oh, it was actually supposed to go in this tray. And I was going to put my remotes, TV remotes in it. And I did for a minute, but then you couldn't see this. And I was like, what's the point of that? So I need to find a place for this little guy. I know this video is all about pretty much just like showing you what I've been doing, but it's not like an actual tutorial. I feel like my projects to film are adding up. And that's very exciting for me because I love sharing this stuff with y'all. So it's the necklace, earrings, the punch needling. I'm sorry if I'm just like bumbling through this video. Honestly, lately I feel like I can't even speak properly. I was talking to my therapist about this. My memory has been especially really bad the last year. And yeah, just it's difficult for me to find the correct words sometimes. And my therapist was kind of telling me that it could be associated with grief and like heightened stress. So even, you know, before Michael passed, I was for a couple years, but especially that last year, in a very heightened stress state, which can mess with just every aspect of life, including memory. Let me know if this is something that y'all have ever dealt with, because it's weirding me out. I like can't speak properly. I already have so many issues with my ADHD brain. Clearly I have so many running projects all at once. Like, wait. She's been there the whole time. I forgot. Let us figure out where to put my mirror, okay? I have truly become unhinged, or just like I forgot how to make videos. But anyways, I didn't do an outro. It's me, editing Stephanie. And here's the completed mounted punch needled mirror. I love it. I actually have some pretty good stuff coming up for y'all, including a gift guide really fast. I swear I'm going to work on these crafting videos because it's what I actually really like to do right now. Let me know which one you want to see first. I feel like it's going to be punch needling, but that one's pretty time consuming. So it might have to be a jewelry one first, but you will be seeing more of me. And again, thank you so much for watching and all your support. I really love y'all, and I'm excited to be back here with you. All right, bye.